Assalamualaikum students. Today we learn ending sound. Today we learn ending sound with sound, ending sound, and the subject is phonics. With subject phonics. And open the page number 2. Open the page number 2. Now start. Now let's start. What is this? Bad. What is this? Bad. This is bad. And the sound of bad, b, a, th, bad. B, a, th, bad. The ending sound of bad, th. The ending sound of bad, th. Now we trace it. Start with the dot and arrow down, 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 and stop. Again, start with the dot, come down and stop. Okay. What is this? Cat. It is cat. It is cat. Now, what is the sound of cat? K, a, th, cat. K, a, th, cat. The ending sound of cat, th. The ending sound of cat, th. The ending sound of cat, th. Now we trace it. Start with the dot, come down, down, and stop. Start with the dot and stop. Now what is this? Fat. What is this? Fat. This is fat. Now sound is fat. A, th. A, th. The ending sound of fat, th. The ending sound of fat, th. Now again press it. Start with the dot, come down with the arrow, and stop. Start with the dot and stop. What is this? Hat. What is this? Hat. This is hat. Now sound is hat. H, a, th. H, a, th. Hat. The ending sound of hat, th. Now ending sound of hat, th. Now we trace it. Start with the dot, come down, down, and stop. Now what is this? Mat. What is this? Mat. Is this mat? The sound of mat, a, th, mat, a, th, mat. The ending sound of mat, th. The ending sound of mat, th. Now we trace it. Now we write it. Start with the dot, come down, 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 go round, and again start with the dot for sleeping line. Start with the dot and stop. What we make it? Two. What we make it? Two. What is this? Rat. What is this? Rat. It is rat. The sound is rat. A, th. A, th. The ending sound of rat, th. Now we make it. Start with the dot, come down, down, go down, and stop. Now we start with the dot and stop. Now we revise. B at bad, b at bag. H at cat, h at cat. F at fat, f at fat. H at hat, h at hat. At mat, at mat. R at rat, r at rat. Thank you.